Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to do a build on the AMT Ertl Pro Shop 1962 Buick Electra 225. We affectionately used to call this the deuce and a quarter. So there's what it looks like. It's a 125 scale kit. Kit number 6116. If you go back and check out the unboxing video I've done, you see all the goodies that are inside. But for now, we're just going to build this one and see how it comes out. And what's funny is this color here is that gloss purple lilac color or whatever it is that I've been searching for the previous two kits. And I got close on the Impala, but there it is again. It's kind of funny. There was no intention on that happening like that. It's just the way it worked out. So alrighty, I'll go ahead and get these all set up on the bench here, the parts, and I will be right back. So right out of the box, we don't have a lot of parts count. There was only one bag of molded and grayish parts here. Bag of chrome, clear glass is still in the box. Interesting, we have a screw bottom for this kit. I see three, oh, here's the fourth one right there, cool. We have 4 screws, metal axles. This is definitely a throwback to the 60s. So this would be a lot of fun. From here I can see a ton of flashing already on the body. Weird pieces of sprue tree left on there. So this kit's going to take a little while, even though it's very minimal parts, but part of modeling. I'll see. I'll try and look up and see exactly what the Pro Shop entailed, you know. And this kit, I don't know if I mentioned it, guys. This one is from 1998, so 28 years old. We'll see how it goes. I've had it since '98, and I guess I got around to trying to find a time to build it. So stick with me along the way and see how it comes out. Thanks. So here's a little progress on the interior for the Buick. Yep. And here's the dashboard. Coming along. A few more little details to pick out there. Some miscellaneous pieces laying around. The front end, just about ready. And there's a glimpse at the body of the vehicle. And here is the chassis. Get that all done, ready to go. Hopefully next few minutes we'll have a completed kit. So there's a shot of the completed interior. Dash and steering wheel, everything. Has the little chrome piece in the back there. It reminds me of the Impalas of the day, right? Pretty neat. Alrighty folks, there she is, complete. The 1962 Buick Electra 225, the deuce and a quarter. And it was fairly good as far as the build went. I enjoyed it. I didn't really run into any issues, except for my big fat fingers, you know. But there's the close-up of her. Yep. I'll take the hood off in a second. Came out really nice. I like the amount of detail that was in the kit. Thought that was very nice. These taillights remind me of the Buick Riviera of the day. Back in the day there, the mid-60s Rivieras. That's what they reminded me of. But yeah, I enjoyed the heck out of building this one. I would highly suggest it if you guys have an opportunity to pick this one up. There's the engine. Not a whole lot going on in there, but just another one for the shelves. And then the bottom, I think I showed you already, but let's see if I can do it without spilling anything. Here's the bottom. Came out decent. I do like the very distinct gills or fins or whatever you want to call those, the portals for the sides to definitely let you know it's a Buick. So that's it, folks. This was a quick one, and I hope you enjoy it. The color, I'm sorry, this was one of the main things I wanted to tell you about. The color. Color is a folk art color shift. It is black flash, and it's a gloss metallic, and it's actually one of these deals, guys. I filled up a little container of paint and then thinned it down with some water and sprayed it out and let it set for a day, and it come out pretty much perfect. I'm very happy with it. Okay, and then the interior is just a something sassy green or something. It's the same color as I think the 69 Plymouth Barracuda that I built a while back. That's what the interior is. So, alright, I thank you all so very much. Hope you all have a fantastic day. I will see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.